because as the figures, if you are right, the figures, let's just do it together, and then we come up with the figures on implication. So I will start this lesson on implication, and then on two. I wanted after this topic implication, I have to give you work to practice. So I have to give you a bit work on what we have covered from the chapter 2. I have to work either books or no problem. But that way it's not going to be complex. You have to make practice because very soon you write your distance exam. So there is no way that you have to travel. So I will just give you a. So let's just go to the presentation, and after the presentation, I will give you a. Then from there, and I'll give you some other way to get out of the class. The only learning week will be next week. Another week will be sitting for your exams. So that's the culture of this school. Now let's start on the presentation. As I actually said that in the presentation, we are looking at two methods. That one what we call the fixed installment straight line. Especially those who be taking accounting, you do this the fixed installment. And the second one is the diminishing balance. So actually we find the fixed installment or the straight line, or sometimes known as the original cost method, as the ratio of the difference of the cost of an asset and its scrap value. That is difference on the cost of the asset and the scrap value by the expected life of the asset is known as the fixed installment. In other words, the fixed installment for depreciation, what you are comparing is the cost of that asset. An asset is anything that you have, and it is scrap value. And again, you compare it with the expected life in years. Therefore, the annual installment, let's say that the annual installment, the cost of the asset minus the scrap value over the lifespan in years. So the lifespan in years. That's over the expected life in years. So expected life in years. When you have this, what you are coming up with is the annual installment. And find the amount of the asset after some years. So it says find amount. What is actually said is we need 8 years. Cost minus 8 then D. Where C is the cost of the asset and the the number of years, and the D is the annual installment. That is the amount of annual depreciation. And the rate, again, you are given the rate, find the rate is there. Now, there was this question. Someone said, let's go to the diminishing balance or reducing balance question, where you are calculating the percentage. Consider a person have to depreciate a machinery of cost of 85,000 at 5% per annum. The diminishing balance method would be, so you have 85,000 at 5%. So that's what you actually do is you use that one like the compound, that compound interest. Now let's do that. Let's do that for 3 years. Assuming that this depreciation has been done up to the 3rd year. Let's do that one to the 3rd year and 4th year. And then we'll use this method and then we're going to use the formula and we see if what we are getting is the same. Let's look at that example. Right? The question is, assume that the person has to depreciate the machine for cost. There is that which is 85,000, assuming that this is the machine, and this machine is being depreciated at 5% per annum. And let's apply the diminishing balance method. Apply the diminishing balance method. The period of 3 years. Let's look at that. Let's write it down. Solution. First year. Right? Let's start with the first year. Depreciation in the first year. So, first year depreciation. Let's say 85,000. Then interest. Depreciated. That is 5% of 85,000. You do that like 6% is 0.05, right? Times 85,000. Use your calculator to do that. How much is that? That's 5%. Times 85,000 gives you what?
4,250.
4,250. Alright, so that's all right. 4,000 what?
250.
250, right? So the fact that it is depreciating, you subtract that. Clear? You subtract. Now when you subtract here, it's going to be 0, 5, here, 7, right? Here, 0, and here, 8. Is that?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
That's the depreciation. Then this is second year. That is second year. Second year depreciation. Second year depreciation is this one. So the second year depreciation is this one. Right? And then interest depreciation. Not interest. Rate depreciated. Sorry. Rate depreciated. So rate depreciated. That is 5% of 80,750. So this is the same as 0.05 times 80750, right? What is that? 5% of 80750. So just use your calculator. What is that?
40,000. 375.
It's 4,000.
4 or 4?
4,000.
Alright. So it is 4,000. 4,000 what? that is this what is happening here. We are getting it to be like that. Then we need to find the 30-year depreciation. Now let's do what 30-year depreciation. We subtract again, right? Let's subtract here 2050. Here 2. Here 1. Right? 7. And here 76. Is that?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
We have to move together here. You don't want to that way. In the exam, I say, can you use the depreciation method of this and then find that on the how to move together here. What I do. Then after that, this what we are getting here, what we are getting there, it is the what? 30, right? 30 years depreciation. So 30-year depreciation is this one. Right? And then, because the question is, apply the diminishing balance method for the period of 3 years. 3 years. You have to calculate again, that 30 years, that one. You have to calculate again the rate of depreciation for the first 10 years. So the rate there, what is the rate of depreciation? The rate of depreciation is again 5 what? %. Now, 5% of 76712.50. What is that? Which is 0.05 multiplied by 76712.50. That. Let's find out. What would be that? Yeah.
3,000.
835.62. All right. All right. 0.62. All right.
38,300.
Sorry.
The 3,935. 0.625.
You are taking 0.05, not 0.5. You are taking 0.05 multiplied by 76712. Is this one, right? Yeah, can you do that? And now from there, what we are getting is let's subtract them. This is what? Yeah? Let's subtract there is what? 7, 5. Is that? Can you subtract that? Yeah, we are the code is the one that we are getting. This one?
72.
Oh, where? Over here.
72.
72.
876.
876.
Yeah.
876.87. Right. So this is for the because what you're saying is for a period of 3 years. What for if this is a period of 3 years, what are you trying to find out? You are trying to find out the 4 year now because you are going to stop there. Remember, this is now for 3 years. Everything is being done up to the whole 3 years. So what will happen is we are getting that after the 4th year, after the last year, and this one is if you look at that one, this is the 4th year. In other words, what we are wanting to find out is this is the amount that is the guy who what that is going to be charged for the 3 years after depreciating this one for 3 years, and that is based on it.
User stay live. User stay live.
Now before we use the straight line, let's use this one using the formula. Let's use the formula before we come to that. Assuming that we are using the because there is a formula that it doesn't go and find whether this is let's find the formula first. Right? Right, so where they are saying C, then this is the formula where I've got C minus 1. That's C minus 1? Yeah, C minus R, and then minus
C open
bracket 1 minus, right? C open bracket
1 minus
1 minus R
power n.
to the power n.
Yeah.
This is to the power n. At the end is here, right? Like that?
Yeah.
Or out is like that. Alright. 1 minus, and then 1 bracket, and C bracket 1 minus R to the power n. Where C is what? The cost. Yeah, where C is the cost. And 1 is the older than 1, right? I think these people they have written n. Okay, let's put n. Right? And R is to the right and to the power n. Where a is number of years, right? But n is number of years, the number of years. Let's find out. What is our C from the system? Our C is what?
In 5,000.
5,000. Right? Open bracket. 1 minus 1 to the right. 5%, huh? Which is 0.05, huh? To the power, how many? Let's put to the power 3. Let's just find out this way. So this is 85, 000, bracket, 1 minus this one is going to be what?
0.95.
0.95. To the power
3.
to the power 3.
Masa, formula ya mnazo iliuza pamene zaka zi more than 20 years. Formula ya mnazo ama iliuza pamene zaka zi more than 20.
Or the more than 20. It's more than, if there are plenty of years, yeah, that's correct. But what we just to verify whether what we are doing here is correct. Can we just finish first? Can we finish? Can we finish first? Yes, let's go on that. Can you find out that make out that using your calculator? Yeah? That's what was it? That's why we use this one?
Tikalamusa 85p times 0.95 to the 1.
What is exactly giving us the exact figure like this one? Yes. So that is the case. And if you work it out, try to work it out and then find out if it gets you to like this one 76.87. What it means is that especially when what the question that here is saying, it says this formula is when you use the average more than 20 years. That's very true. Because sometimes for 20 years you cannot use this because it's something which is very what? Very long. So instead of that or 100 years, you use this one, use the formula. Because sometimes you can be given that, can you work out that value after 20 years? Find the diminishing balance method, using the diminishing balance method for about 20 years. So in 20 years, or 30 years, or 100 years, or any year, is when you use the formula. But if it is in an exam, this is an exam, I think you will be told either to use, if I say use the formula method, you can use the formula. If I say use the applied, using this method, the diminishing balance method, using step by step, I think you can use that. Right? Provided what has to be in your head is that in terms of depreciation, something has to lose value, right? And it has got the scrap value. But something is, especially if it is an asset, no, it loses value and then it becomes like that. Right? end of 30 years, and this scrap value is okay. Let's just write down that and then put it up. Calculate the annual installment of the depreciation of a machine, of the depreciation this is 5 million. Let's assume that this is 5 million. I think you are getting, I think another number because I think we are using your own number. I think this is 5 million at the end of 30 years. At the end of 30 years, and its scrap value assuming the scrap value is 60,000 watches. One B, find the rate of depreciation and value of the asset at the date. Find the rate of depreciation and value of the asset at the date. And value of the asset after 30 years. This is calculate the annual installment of the depreciation of the machine 5 million for that end of 30 years, and this is the scrap value 60,000. B, find the rate of depreciation and the value of the asset after 20 years. For that, the expected value, expected life in years, stated, right? Expected life of the machine is equal to 30 years. The cost of that machine, in other words, 30 years you have. The cost of the machine, which is C, is equal to 5 million. The scrap value, which is SB, that is 60,000. let's find the annual installment of depreciation. What do we mean when we say annual instrument of depreciation? Annual instrument of depreciation. What does that mean? Annual installment of depreciation. Annual installment of depreciation. What does that mean? Annual installment of depreciation. Annual installment of depreciation. Which is the annual installment of depreciation, which is calculated as equal to the cost minus scrap value over the expected life, or in other words, the expected life of the machine, which is the L. That's how you find the annual installment of depreciation. The annual installment of depreciation is, you are looking at that depreciation which is done annually, each and every year. So the way you do that is just take the cost of that machine minus the scrap value over the expected life of the machine. Yeah. And if you look at that one, your cost is the cost is 5 million. So you have this as 5 million minus the scrap value, which is 60,000 over number of years, which is what? 30 years, right? 30 years. What you are getting there, that is the amount that every year that machine depreciates. So let's find out that. You calculate that one, use your so from there, what you have to do is just subtract there, right? But first of all, you cannot divide just at once here. Well, the problem is you have to use the bold mass. You have to subtract. Use the rule of mathematics where you have to subtract first and then you can divide. So you have to subtract first up there and then you can divide. Now if you look at that one, just when you subtract there, it's going to be 4 million what? 4 million 940,000 like this, right? Yes. Divided by 30. Right. Wherever divided by 30, you cancel out the base figures, right?
Yes.
So what means that's very well, right?
Yes.
So there goes 1, right? 90 goes 8, 6, right? 14 goes 4. Right? And 6. Then in here, 6. That's like this, huh? Point 6. Just put 7, 1 dB, right? 6 again. Alright, 6 again. Or 6 content. So alright, 6. 7. Alright. Go to the start of the money. So that this is the 2 dB. Just before that is money. That's the depreciation every year, right? The annual depreciation is like this. The machine of 5 billion depreciates every year at that rate. At this cost, this price, the price. Now let's look at, so that is the annual depreciation and the annual installment of depreciation. Now let's look at the second one, which is find the rate of depreciation. So for this one, calculate the annual installment of depreciation. This is how you do that, because you are looking at every year. So every year, because assuming that the rate is, was just the same, because we are looking at it for 30 years, assuming that this rate is just the same. So every year was something like this for the 30 years. For all the 30 years, this is the amount is getting. Now, if you look at the rate of depreciation here, let's go to the D is our A, rate of depreciation. Right? How do we get the rate of depreciation? Again, get the rate of depreciation, we use the formula, right? What formula? What formula? We'll say if I will involve you during your mid-semester a lot of calculation, then it means that the formula it's not automatic, but might at least you can just construct for you, but it's not automatic that I will do that, but I may do that. I'm not promising, because I don't want someone to say, but you actually say that you provide. But sometimes where I know that if the calculations are a little bit, if there are a lot of calculations, although your exam will comprise of both calculations and other applications, because I will maybe the question will have been like, how will you apply this scenario? I can just write a scenario and I say, how will you apply this scenario in your context of business? This is math, right? Under the context of business mathematics. So you should be able to explain. It's not all everything that you calculate, because there are other people they are bad in calculations, right? So to avoid that one, it's better you have to express, because the other things, the moment you express, the moment if you are able to put something in writing, I think I can consider that. Because some of us we are bad in mathematics. So it's better that you put that one in what? In written form. I think I can consider that. Right? Just for consideration. And in case, if I find out that because we are already making these exams, in case there are a lot of calculations, it's where now formulas will be provided. But if it's a balancing game of 50 calculations and 50 calculations and 50 applications, then I think there will be a very, very difficult situation.
Which question am I?
No, it's not yet. So I cannot disclose, because once the exams are formed, they go for the external examiners to look into those exams. The chair has to go and verify whether they are at your level or they are not your level. If they are not your level, they send us back and they can instruct again. So it's not something that it's not mandatory, because they verify the standard. And not only those guys, again here we have got what are called the Senate. The Senate here, we have got the Senate here, the internal examiners, they are here. So they will meet and they will look at each and every day. And they are doing that next week. They will look at they take time, they take almost the whole week, they look at each and every question. They verify each and every question, whether it is your standard, if not. So sometimes, that's what I'm saying now in case. But now let's look at this rate of depreciation. The rate of depreciation is something which is the A over cost minus the scrap value. Where this D, we are looking at our annual installment of depreciation. This is the D. Our the annual installment of depreciation is our D. And then the C is the cost of the machine. The cost of the machine. While SV is the scrap value. Take note, where I am taking time explaining, there might be something. Now, when we look at this issue where we have got D, and if you look at our D generally is this amount, which is the 1,4, like that. So it is 1,646.67 over, what is the cost there? The cost is what? 5 million, right? Cost is 5 million. Minus the scrap value is what? 60,000. Right? Then this will take you somewhere. It will take you to somewhere. 1,646.67 over, subtract that one is 4940. Then 0. Right? Because here we are looking at a rate. A rate is percentage. We are looking at that one as a percentage now. So we are looking at that as a percentage. So if you do that, we are looking at this being a rate. So multiply by 100%. Multiply by 100% here. So when you are multiplying by 100%, these they will disappear. The first numbers where we are going to have 1, 6, 4, 6, 7. Right? Point is gone because of we are multiplying by 100. Right? Over 4, 9, 4, 0, 0. Over that. Can you divide that? Can you divide that? By looking at something. Can you do that? What is that?
Just 3.3.
3 point what? 3.3%. So it is 3.3%. In other words, what is happening here is the same as something like this. I'm just taking you back to secondary school. So it's the same as 1, 6, 4, 6, right? 0.67 multiplied by 100 over 4, 9, 4, 0, 0. Right? Where now you percent. You kill this one, you will figure from here. You divide, and then you are taking this one divided by that. So you are taking 164, 666, right? You multiply by 100 here, so it will be 67. When you multiply the 100 here, over, again you have to multiply the 100 down. 4, 9, 4, 0, multiply by 100, you have 2 zeros. This scenario that you are having here is the same as the one that you are having here. If you look at that, right? Because this one is this one, and the down one is this one. When you divide that, if you divide from there, it gives you 3.3%. And this is the rate of depreciation. So the rate of depreciation is 3.3%. Now, let's look at if that is the rate of depreciation. The rate of depreciation. What will be the value of the asset after 10 years? Assuming, but for the question, I think they stopped it here. But assuming that you wanted to find out what will be the value of the asset after 10 years. What is the value of the asset after 10 years? What is the value? What is the value of the asset after 10 years? Now, if you're looking at that, let's find the value of the asset after 10 years. First, we need to find the value of the asset after 10 years. Now, first, we are going to come up with a formula to find value of the asset after 10 years. Value of asset after 10 years. Not before 10 years. Because we want to come up with the formula, right? What is the formula? It is C over bracket 1 minus R. 1 minus R close about N. Where C is the first 1, not this one, not this one. I want to find the one with the D, which where we are having the annual instrument is the annual instrument. Where we have got C cost minus scrap value. Well, something like that. Where C is the cost and N is the number of years, and the have D is the annual installment of the station. Now, in that, so if you look at this one, they are saying what will be the value after 10 years? After 10 years, which means your N is what? 10. Is 10. So you look at this one, the cost is 5 million. So you have 5 million. Minus what? 10 multiplied by what is our D there? 3. Not 3. The D is the annual installment of depreciation, and this one is this one 164. That is the times 164. 164. 666.67, right? Something like that. Right? Let's work it out. Let's work it out. Let's just do to the nearest here. We shouldn't give us headache. Let's put 7 here. Like that. Let us close the solution. Let's just put 7 to the nearest what? After here. Look at here, these are numbers, right? So we are taking this one, I think, to the nearest so that we are solving it as the middle. It's not giving us complication. You are just putting it to the nearest. Therefore, it is 164. 667. We have removed this. Because this one, you take it as 1, It's more than 50, and you bring it here. So we add it to this one. So here it's going to be 164667. That's why this 16467 is the one that we are putting it here. Here. We're multiplying by 10. When you multiply by 10, that one is the 164667. Right? Yeah. And then taking that one, 5 million. 5 million. Now, when you do it like that, what is it giving you? 3 million. What, right?
3 million.
3 million? 3 million? 353,000.
333.
Three hundred and
333.
3. Point 3, right? Point 3, right?
Yes,
Yeah, and this.
that's million. 3,353,000.
Alright.
3 million. 353,000.
353,000.
Yeah, 350.
300 what?
50.
Then, I think it's just close to that, what you are going to say. So it is 3,353,300, like this one.
Yes.
Right. Right, you are using the phone. But if you are to use calculator, I think that you are being. I think yeah, that one is the value of the asset after 10 years. So after 10 years, that is the value of the asset. After 10 years. Alright. As you are signing, I want just to correct what was I left them there right now to print, and then I'm giving you what you have to do. Is it okay? Start signing, and then you start signing on the first page. Once it is done, I think you must go to the other side. Right, let me just see. Are you comfortable with what you have asked? Yes. Are you comfortable? Yeah, I understand that when you were working it out, this is, it shows that at the some of you are able to follow it up. Because when she was working, she discovered that the answers that we gave you, they are not in line with what you are supposed to do. That's the thing. That's why she said the answers are not correct. Can you just work them out? So I think the appropriate answers are these ones that are right. So far, we are done now with this issue on the depreciation. What I've just just questions about the depreciation, and then we are looking for another topic. We'll be going for another topic, of which we start today, and then we'll complete it. We'll do it up next week. Yeah, next week again is the learning week. Here at the university, I think you are told that learning will stop. You are not going to give grace period for reading. There is no grace period for you. What happened is this is media. It's media. You are just given 1 week for exams and 1 week for holiday. Then you come back. You'll be given 1 week for holiday, 1 week writing the exam, then you are coming back fourth class work. But end of the year is when you are given 1 grace period, 1 week grace period. You are given 1 week to